In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can show what Siri says on your iPhone screen. Displaying what Siri says on an iPhone is crucial for enhancing user experience, accessibility, and interaction clarity. Visual feedback ensures users can confirm and understand Siri's responses, reducing errors and misunderstandings. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, scroll down onto this option of Siri and search. Select on Siri Responses. Make sure to enable this option of Always Show Siri Caption. When turned on, you will see what Siri replies in words on your iPhone screen. To also show what you ask Siri, just turn this on. That's how easy it is to enable captions for Siri responses. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.